Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 29. I'm going to quickly go over what we're going to be doing this week. So as you can see already, there isn't much in your Schoology folder. That could change throughout this week and next. So we are going to do the chair design. I have the assignment here. Click on it. Again, ever-changing document. I may add more. I may subtract something. There's not much on it, but I do want to change it as you have questions. They may be questions, and I might add more information inside. So some of us have been asking to do a chair design, so I'd like to indulge that. You're not stuck to a specific design because I know we don't have the same likes and styles. However, you'll still need to you will find that dimension drawing I have right here. If you zoom in, you'll see that there's some good dimensions on here. And you can use this as like help to get your overall average sizes, things like that, where placements is. It all depends on like the human that's sitting in it and the comfort level. So I would check on chair designs or ergonomics of chairs, and I'll post something now as I'm talking about it. I'll post something on ergonomic design. There are multiple pieces. If there are multiple pieces, or if there are multiple of the same pieces, you'll only need to create one and create one drawing for that piece. Obviously, I'm not going to make you dimension multiple of the same pieces. So you can see these slats on the chair. These are probably all the same. They would only get one drawing. You can see I've got two other designs. Here's what you need to do. You'll create the drawing files for each part, an assembly file, and then an exploded view in the parts list. I want to do something with the turn-in. I want to do like a portfolio, put it together, figure it out. So if that means take pictures of everything and put it on a Google Doc, put it in order, have a title page with, table of contents, then that's what we're going to do. So I'll probably insert more information on that as the week goes on. This is a fourth marking period grade. Third marking periods end the 29th. So I'm giving you 2 weeks for this. It will be a fourth marking period. But obviously, if you have questions, please feel free to ask me, and I'll be updating this stuff throughout this week. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day.